I just built this entire website and AI agent for a real business in one conversation with Claude. So as you can see, we'll be using PayMeGPT today. Now, PayMeGPT is what we're going to connect to Claude via MCP. Now, I know it sounds a bit scary and a little bit confusing and a bit daunting. I used to be there as well, but MCP is super simple to set up with this platform. Now, the first thing we're going to do, I'm already in my account right here, and this is the analytics section. We have the full overview, but for this particular one, we want to head on over to settings and scroll all the way down to advanced integrations and look for MCP integration. Now, the MCP server URL is what you're looking for. Literally just hit copy and head on over to Claude. Now, this is my Claude account. The first thing I'm going to do is go on over to settings. Once I'm in settings, I'll go to connectors, and we want to hit add custom connector. This is where you will put in your name. For me, I'll just put there PayMeGPT. Now, remote MCP server URL is what we just copied, and we'll just click add. Now, by default, it'll be as such, and you'll just need to click connect and then log in. So this is the authentication. I'm going to quickly log into my account, and as you can see, connected to PayMeGPT. Now, I personally like to go into configure and just give it all access. That's just me though. You can choose exactly what is turned on or turned off. So perfect. Now from here, we'll head over to new chat. Now, before you type anything into this field, you need to find a business you want to pitch. For that, head on over to Google, type in your business niche and the location you're going to target. For me, I just type in dental business, so it's showing dental businesses within my region. I'll give you a great example, Someone Bullet Dental. Now they have 5 stars, 7 reviews, but no website. Now I use these guys and they are phenomenal. Not sponsored, but I'm saying personal experience, these guys are incredible. So what you can do is, if it is businesses within your region, you can build out a landing page for them. You can approach them and say, look, I was looking through the Google businesses for dentists or whatever the niches that you're picking. I found yours and has got great reviews, but I couldn't find more information, so there's no website or anything. But your competition currently is outranking you because they have websites. Now, quick one, PayMeGPT offers a really powerful SEO optimization for landing pages. So outranking these guys, the competition is going to be very effective. So that's what you can say. We'll build you a website to help you outrank your competition and put a bunch of information on there. But 2 more things. You can either offer them a one-time build with a small retainer to maintain the site, like updates and things as such, or you can add a little bit extra more money on it on the monthly retainer and you add on an agent. Okay, and we'll go through that as well. This agent can answer questions, book appointments, etc. But for this one, for example, all we're going to do is copy this information right here, back to Claude and paste it in. Then back again to reviews, because we like getting all of the reviews. These guys are really awesome. Copy and then paste that in here as well. Now, all that we can do is come right to the top and we can say something like, please build out a landing page for this business. The information about the business is attached below. We want to use a quick model for this. Gemini. Actually, matter of fact, for this one, let's use Gemini. Create the landing page for us. Now we'll let go of this and let it have its thing. So now as you can see, it says got it, firing this off the Gemini now. Now I have the Gemini API key already connected to my PayMeGPT account. But as you can see, it's now creating, it's now thinking Gemini is cooking it up in the background, check back in 20 seconds, still generating. And we can see it's using the tool right here, create landing page via MCP. Now, the MCP setup in itself was extremely simple. As you saw, you literally copied, from PayMeGPT and pasted into Claude, and boom, it is already working. Gemini is taking its sweet time on this one, and the pages are heavier. Give me another 30 seconds. And Gemini delivered 34,000 characters, 5 sections, live now. And I usually like to say a single page, but it seems to have got this perfectly. So let's have a preview of this right now. Boom. I mean, look at that. Now I know there's always going to be someone out there who's like, ooh, but it looks vibe coded. Actually, matter of fact, this looks a lot better than many of the vibe coded apps out there. Yeah, this is crushing it. Look at that. Yeah. And of course, all these images and things can be swapped out, right? Yeah, perfect location, convenient location in Yatala Arcade opposite Super Bus Stand. It is perfectly customized, even with phone number and everything else. And what our patients say, 7 verified Google reviews. It is incredible. Look at this. Look at this. Okay. Calm down, Asta, calm down. Maybe a bit too excited here. Now, that's amazing. Now, next thing you want to do is say, wow, that was incredible. You absolutely crushed it. Now what we need is a specific agent widget just for this. So create an agent with information that you have on this business right now. We can add on more in the future. This agent's name is Sarah. Her job to ensure that the customer's questions are all answered. We'll give Sarah some additional responsibilities down the line. So now we're creating the agent. So we've created a landing page. You saw how easy that was. Now we create the agent. Now, of course, as you can see right here on it, billing Sarah now with Gemini, create a widget, perfect. So here, all of the information that's on here, we can change, right? So if they want adjustments or things that we can change it. We can even give examples of websites that we like and iterate on that, right? So we can customize this fully. I think for a single shot, one go, this is incredible. Now let's see, chat link, PayMeGPT agent, preview, no way. Already done, look at that. Oh yeah, immediately. Hi there, I'm Sarah, your virtual assistant at Summer Bullet Dental. Perfect. It's got a beautiful welcome message. It's even got the colors sorted and great quick replies. Okay, so what we can do now is, just the kicker, let's go back to the landing page. Let's refresh the landing page. We can see nothing in the corner, the bottom right-hand corner. There's nothing there yet. Okay, watch this. Another home run. What I would love for you to do now is put this agent widget as a chat bubble onto our landing page that we just created, right? So you're building this entire thing literally through Claude, just speaking it. This is a vibe. This is giving me straight up Jarvis, and I am in the vibe. Okay, so let's give it a second. So it's updating the landing page right now. So as you can see, first let me grab the landing page ID real quick. Got it. The latest one is ID 2596. Now let me load the updated tool. Now injecting Sarah's bubble into the page. The coding agent can be finicky with raw script, so I'll write a very precise prompt. I mean, come on guys. Okay, this might take a few seconds, so the video will probably skip to that. Boom, as you can see, absolutely incredible. Here we go. So landing page, let's go back to the landing page, refresh it. Oh yeah, it's already there, as you can see. Boom. Now just ask it, who are you? Who are you, my zizzle? And let's see what she says. She should say, hi, I'm Sarah. I'm Sarah, the virtual receptionist here at Summer Bullet Dental Bureau. I'm happy to help you with any questions you have about our services, locations, or hours. We pride ourselves on providing friendly. Actually, let me ask you something. Where are you located? Because this is more than just asking for her name or something, which is in the welcome message. We are currently convened at the heart of Suva. You can find us at Yetlo Arcade, Shop 66, on the first floor of Rodwell Road. We are directly opposite the bus stand, and there is a parking available nearby as well. I mean, come on. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was insightful and valuable. The changelog, let me just show you this very quickly. The changelog in PayMeGPT is absolutely insane. I mean, it's constantly new features. It's constantly growing. There's something every single day. March 25th, March 24th, 23rd, 22nd, 20th. There's always something happening here at PayMeGPT. We are in the future. Thank you again for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.